Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kenyon G2 Portable Tabletop Electric Grill. Don't forget to hit the link below for current pricing and availability. Right out of the box, the Kenyon G2 feels premium. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, giving it a sleek, modern look that fits perfectly on your kitchen counter or outdoor table. The build is solid but surprisingly lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around if you're planning to take it camping or just move it around your home. The cast aluminum grate is another standout feature. It heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, so your steaks, burgers, or veggies cook perfectly every time. Plus, it's designed to prevent food from sticking, which is always a win when you're grilling indoors. One of the things I really like about this grill is its versatility. It's a single-burner 1,440-watt electric grill, which may sound small, but trust me, it packs a punch. The heating element is strong enough to sear meat and get those classic grill marks while keeping your food juicy and flavorful. And because it's electric, you don't have to worry about smoke, charcoal, or propane tanks. That makes it super safe for indoor use, and it's UL approved, so you know it meets strict safety standards. Another huge advantage is the removable lid. This feature is perfect for controlling the heat and cooking faster or slower depending on what you're grilling. The lid also helps contain any splatters, which means less mess and easier cleanup. Speaking of cleaning, the Kenyon G2 is designed to make life simple. Both the lid and the grill grate are dishwasher safe, so after you've enjoyed your meal, cleanup is practically effortless. No scrubbing, no stress, just toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. Portability is another big plus. At 120 volts, it plugs into any standard outlet, so you can set it up on your kitchen counter, balcony, or even take it along for an RV trip or a picnic. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, and you'll be amazed at how much you can cook at once. Whether it's a quick weekday dinner or a weekend grill session with friends, it's convenient, fast, and reliable. I also want to highlight that this grill isn't just about function, it's about creating the perfect cooking experience. The stainless steel body doesn't just look good, it's built to last, and the ergonomic design makes handling and grilling a joy. The heat control is precise, allowing you to experiment with different cooking styles without worrying about overcooking. You can grill burgers, chicken, vegetables, or even fish with ease. It's a small appliance, but it opens up a lot of possibilities. In short, the Kenyon G2 Portable Tabletop Electric Grill combines power, portability, and convenience into one sleek package. It's perfect for anyone who loves grilled food but doesn't want the hassle of traditional outdoor grills. With its stainless steel build, cast aluminum grate, removable lid, dishwasher-safe components, and reliable 1,440-watt heating element, it's a grill that makes cooking fun, fast, and stress-free. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this grill delivers consistently delicious results without taking up too much space or creating a mess. So if you've been looking for a compact, efficient, and versatile grill that you can use anywhere, the Kenyon G2 is definitely worth checking out. It's one of those appliances that just makes sense once you start using it. You'll wonder how you ever grilled without it. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and cooking tips. I'll see you in the next one, and happy grilling!